Morning students, today we are discussing about the parabola JEE Mains problems. Now, in previous questions, axis of parabola lies along x-axis. Axis of parabola lies along x-axis if its vertex and focus are distance 2 and 4 respectively from the origin. The distance of the vertex and focus from the origin is 2 and 4 on the positive x-axis. Then which of the following points does not lie on A 4 comma minus 4, B 6 comma 4 root 2 and 8 comma 6 and 5 comma root 6. Which of the point is not satisfied the given condition. Now from given axis of parabola is x-axis. The parabola is structure is the axis is x-axis. This is the y square is equal to 4ax. Now is the 0 0. The vertex is distance from origin to vertex is 2 distance is the 2 comma 0 and focus is distance from origin is 4 comma 0 is the focus and 2 comma 0 is the vertex. SA distance is 2 is the h comma k, h is equal to k is equal 0, a is equal to SA distance is 2. Equation of parabola y minus k whole square is equal to 4a into x minus h, y minus 0 and 4 into a value to x minus 2, y square is equal to 8 into x minus 2 is the parabola. The parabola, the points, given points is the options substitution in the equation, and the C option is not satisfied the given equation, then C is not lies on the parabola. Okay guys, is the JEE Mains problem. Another problem. The slope of the line touching the both parabola y square is equal to 4x and x square is equal to minus 32y is the tangent equation of the slope of the tangent, the slope of the both parabolas, common parabolas, the common tangents of the both parabolas, the slope of, then find the slope. Given parabolas y square is equal to 4ax is the comparison of y square is equal to 4ax, 4a is equal to 4, a is equal to 1. M slope of the tangent equation of the given parabola y square is equal to 4ax is y is equal to mx plus a by m, a is equal to 1 by m is the given parabola. Is the tangent of the second equation x square is equal to minus 32y, then y replaced to mx plus 1 by n and x square is equal to minus 32mx minus 32m. Now is it's outside x square plus 32 mx plus 32 by m is equal to 0. M is multiplied with both mx square and 32 m square x plus 32 is equal to 0. Equation of tangent, then above equation is tangent of the parabola x square is equal to minus 32y, then condition is delta is equal to 0 and b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. B square b a is equal to m, b is equal to 32 m square, c is equal to 32. B square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. 32 m square whole square minus 4 into 32 m is equal to 0. 32 into 32 m 4 minus 4 into 32 m is equal to 0. Is the both is the 32 into 4 is common. Is the 4 replace 8 m cube minus 1 is equal to 0. 8 m cube minus 1 is equal to 0. M cube is equal to 1 by 8, m is equal to 1 by 2. This is the slope of the common tangents is m is equal to 1 by 2. Another problem. The shortest distance between the line y minus x is equal to 1 and curve x is equal to y square is option 3 root by 8 and 8 by 3 root 2, 4 by root 3 and 3 by root 3 by 4. Then given parabola y square is equal to x is the parallel to the x-axis. Now the line y minus x is equal to 1. The shortest distance between the point on the P to line equation is shortest distance. Now given line y minus x is equal to 1, x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Slope of the line is equal to 1. The lines are parallel, the tangents and lines are parallel. X is equal to y square, 2y into derivation, y square derivation 2y into dy by dx is equal to 1, dy by dx is 1 by y. And slope of the m2 is equal to 1 by. Slopes are equal, the lines are parallel, slopes are equal, m1 is equal to m2, 1 by 2, y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 by 2. X is equal to y square. Y is substitution in equation. X value is 1 by 4. The point is 1 by 4 comma 1 by 2 is the P point. The perpendicular distance is the The shortest distance from P 1 by 4 to 1 by 2 is line equation. Is a perpendicular line equation. Perpendicular distance. Shortest distance means is the perpendicular distance from point to line equation. X plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 is root 2. Is the 1 minus is the 4 is LCM. 1 minus 2 plus 4 by 4 root 2 is the 3 by 4 root 2. Root 2 multiply with root 2 into root 2. 3 root 2 by 8 is the option A is the correct. Option A is correct. Is the shortest distance between the line and parabola is 3 root 2 by 8. Another problem is the locus of the point which divides the line segment joining the point 0, minus 1 and a point on the parabola x square is equal to 4y internally in the ratio 1:2 is. Then find the locus of the parabola. The locus of the parabola, you find the locus of the parabola. Now given curve x square is equal to 4y is the parabola. Is the structure of parabola is parallel to y-axis. The axis of the parabola is y-axis. Then the point of A is equal to 0, minus 1 lies on the y-axis. Then B is the point on the parabola. The point on the parabola is the parametric form. Suppose y is equal to t square. Substitution in and x square is equal to 4t square and x is equal to t. Okay, is the x value is 2t, y is equal to t square. 2t comma t square is satisfy the given parabola. Then parametric form is the point of the B. And C is the divide the C h comma k is divide the AB in 1:2 ratio. Then internally C h comma k divide AB in 1:2 ratio internally 1:2 0, 1 into 2t plus 2 into 0 by 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 into 2 t square 2 into minus 2 1 minus 2 t square minus 2 by 3 is equal to h comma k. H is equal to 2t by 3 and t is equal to 3h by 2 and t square minus 2 by 3 is equal to k. T square is equal to 3k plus 2. T is substitution in equation. T replaced to 3h by 2 whole square is equal to 3k plus 2 is 9h square by 4 3k plus 2. 9h square is equal to 4 3 12 4 2 8. Hk replaced to x comma y 9x square is equal to 12y plus 8. The parabola structure of the parabola 9x square minus 12y plus is equal to 8 is the structure of the parabola. Okay guys, this is the J